What's up, guys? Bringing Layla girl on a little day trip here. Really nice today. It's really pretty. Got all my equipment the best I could anyway. Got Layla on our tether here. We got our bags. Oh no, no, not so close. Okay, let's go. And so it's really nice here. This seems to have all been cleared out. We got some dogs over here playing in the water. This guy's fly fishing. But it's pretty cool because this trail, it actually goes all the way through down Midtown underneath the 4th Street Bridge, if you're not familiar with Pueblo, otherwise known as Thatcher. It goes underneath there, and then I'll probably have to get picked up at what's called the Tea Palace there. It's like a Chinese restaurant. This way. Where are you going? So thanks for joining in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. We're here. Really nice today.
You down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song. Tell you with my song.
What's up, guys? We're here. We're down on our city trail here. This actually goes all the way to Midtown. And actually, if you guys are having a hard time figuring out where to put this, and you have your GoPro Day Tripper backpack, put it right here. Fits perfectly. It holds. You can vlog. With that being said, we're going to continue our trip.
What I try to tell you with my song. Tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry?
Oh, are you? Awesome. So you're done for the day?
Yeah, we've done our 3 miles. We're done.
Perfect. Come here.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive. I love being by your side.
Baby,
it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you.
Hi, sorry, I'm just making a film.
Down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Don't pull me in, okay?
We got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like
doing over there?
everything's alright.
The water's
Let's
over
dance
here.
our problems away in the night.
on.
Love being right.
What's up, guys? We're here. We're about halfway in between the Tea Palace and where I started at, Nana and Vampo's house. Layla girl's right there. She should be playing in the water, but she doesn't really care. We just wanted to do a day trip, work on some of our filmography, cinematography, practice. Close one, dude. What's up, guys? We're doing an audio check after Layla threw us in the drink. Are you done swimming, Layla? I hope so. What's going on, guys? We're here. This is our stop. Well, I guess you would call it the end of the road. We're actually going to go down there and then up towards the Tea Palace to meet up with our extraction. Kind of walked a little farther than we thought. This is the 4th Street Bridge right here, otherwise known as Stature. Once you get up a little further. Hey, let's go. Come on, what are you gonna do? Take a nap in the water? Why you gotta do that right here? Come on, let's go. We gotta get some lunch. Let's go get some lunch. We actually walked a little farther than anticipated today. We are going to find a spot to get lunch, probably somewhere down here, downtown, and then want to pick us up. What's going on, guys? We're here, downtown Pueblo. It's really beautiful today. So pretty out here. We're actually looking for a place to have lunch, me and lady girl here. Come on. There we go. We're here in downtown Pueblo. We're actually looking for a place to eat lunch, me and Layla. She's gonna be put on a close proximity here just because we're in an urban area. How's it going, sir? Oh, you're smashing one of your cones, bruh. Oh, he put it back up even. Wow. Been in the Xfinity game a while. We're looking for a place to eat slash like a place to eat where we can actually sit down and eat. Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Definitely gonna get some lunch.
We do breakfast, lunch, dinner, all day.
Sick, man.
I recommend the Buddha Bowl, any of the overnight oats, or I don't know.
What's up, guys? We're here. We're at the Hanging Tree Cafe here in Pueblo downtown. And this guy's actually getting ready to do a live loop set here, he said. So we're gonna see if we can check that out. Probably get a little bit of film on that. But for now, we're definitely here to get some breakfast. Are you hungry? You don't care? Let's see what they have. Oh, first we gotta call Bamps and see if he wants to get lunch and potentially pick us up. If not, we got a long walk home.
7193.
What's up, Bamps? Oh, are you gonna take her with you? Yeah.
Street bound.
He's gonna do something here. I'm gonna film. I'll tell you what, I only live right up here. I'll just catch up with you when I go pick up my car.
Oh, okay.
So I could just walk home.
Oh,
Oh, we got Kryee calling. What's up, baby boy?
Hi, Daddy.
Look, we're filming a vlog. Say hi, guys.
Hi, people out there.
How was your day, baby?
It was great.
I'm getting ready to head home so we could play Fortnite. Gonna grab this frame that we have over here.
I'm landing at Stark Industries.
Stark Industries. I'll call you.
My Uncle Tony, rest in peace.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
But I promise we'll play. I'm gonna go straight home.
Okay.
All right, I love you.
Love you too.
Be ready, okay?
I will.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I might lay a bass track down.
What's going on, guys? We're here with Taylor and Aaron, hanging out. Taylor.
Going.
And we're actually on our way out. Camera's getting ready to die. Thanks for showing us the ropes, guys. This is their loop setup.